Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at Google Sheets and how to copy the formatting of a chart to another chart in another workbook. Now Google Sheets in the Home Edition doesn't have chart templates that you can create yourselves, so this is what you're going to do as a workaround. I have a chart here that I really like. I've spent some time formatting it with really nice colors, and I have a pastry sales worksheet over here that I want to use the exact same style of chart, and I want the colors to be similar. So what I can do is I can take the chart from this worksheet here into the other one. So I'm going to click on my chart, I'm going to the chart menu here, and I'm going to copy the chart. That copies it to the clipboard. I'm going to pastry sales, I'm going to click where I want the chart to be, then I'll choose edit paste. Now if I've got the extension installed, I can use it to cut, copy and paste. I don't have it installed, so that little prompt has just told me I can use Control V. So I'm just going to paste that chart in. Now at the moment the data in this chart is the data from the bakery sales worksheet. What we want is this data here, but we've got the chart, we've got all the colors we like. So I'm going to right click the chart, so that's just right clicking a chart, not anything to do with this menu here, and I'm going to choose data range. And then I want to click here on data range, and I'm being told that this is static data. So the data is actually captured in this chart. We don't want that to be the case. So I'm going to click here on select data range, and then I'm going to drag over this data range. Now because I've got an extra column in here, you can see that the suggested range is A2 to C9. I actually don't want A2 to C9, I just want A2 to B9, so I'm just going to select over it. So let's go and grab A2 to B9, and I'll just click OK. And the entire chart is now going to rework with the data from this particular worksheet. I am going to need to change the title of it though, because it's still got the sales data title from the previous worksheet. To do this, I'll right click and I'm going to choose chart axis and title, and then chart title, and that will give me access to the title text here, and I can change it to suit. So it's quite easy in Google Sheets to get around the limitation of not having chart templates. If you've got a chart that you like, you can simply copy it from one worksheet to another, and then when it arrives it will have static data in it. All you need to do is to link this chart to the data from this sheet, and then make any changes to, for example, the chart title. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.